सो कंटिन्यू करते हैं. एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड द कोइंसिडेंटल कोहेजन. सो नेक्स्ट इज दैट इज logical cohesion. So logical cohesion is when part of a module are grouped together because of any logical categorization or to perform something, means to do the same thing. They are categorized, or you can say are grouped together. ठीक है. For example, you can say like you are grouping together to all the input handling routines, like you are grouping together mouse, keyboard, joystick and so on. Means we have just grouped together all the elements for a cause or for a purpose, for a same purpose. Means they are logically connected. As the name specifies, logical cohesion is that when parts of a module are grouped because of their logical categorization or to perform something. ठीक है. और for a means same thing, that is known as logical cohesion. Next come to the point, that is temporal cohesion. ठीक है. Means temporal cohesion is that when we grouped the elements of a particular module to process something, means that is not the you can say the permanent, as the name is specified, for a particular time, means when till the process get execute, we are grouping those elements together for a particular purpose only. Then after this they will not grouped any together anymore. Means that's why this is known as temporal cohesion. The parts are processed at a particular time in program execution. Means like we just throw a exception, जैसे हमारा try and catch block होता है. ठीक है. And then particular file gets open, create an error log and notifies the user and so on. ठीक है. Means the elements of a particular module are grouped together for a time period. Means for a particular till that particular process has been executed. Like we have work in a try and catch block. An exception is, we know that in particular block the exception can occur, and then that we उस पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक को हम ट्राई में डालते हैं, एक्सेप्शन गेट थ्रो, एंड ऑल दिस प्रोसेस गेट एग्जीक्यूट फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड. मीन्स द एलिमेंट्स आर ग्रुप टुगेदर फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस. तब तक वो प्रोसेस एग्जीक्यूट होगा, तब तक वो एक साथ ग्रुप्ड होंगे, अदरवाइज नॉट. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ कोहेजन इज नोन एज टेम्पोरल कोहेजन. प्रोसीजरल कोहेजन है, means procedural cohesion is that when elements of a particular module are grouped because they are following a certain sequence of execution. ठीक है. means a particular pattern has been followed every time. Means this all type of scenario means a particular process is same is all the time. Like we are logging into our account, ये भी example ले सकते हैं, in our Facebook account. So we will enter the username and the password. Every time we follow the same procedure. ठीक है. Like here example is written here, function which checks file permission and then opens the file. Means if we put a security on a particular file, so every time we just ask for the permission and then open a file. Means when a particular elements of a module follow the same sequence, that is known as procedural cohesion. Means they are following a certain procedure or certain pattern, that is known as procedural cohesion. Now next is communicational or informational cohesion. Communicational cohesion is when parts of a module are grouped because they operate on the same data. ठीक है. Means communicational cohesion is that when the elements of a particular module are grouped because they operate, or you can say they are working on a same data. Example है, means particular record of information पे all the elements are working on a same data. So like particular function is working on a particular record, that is known as communicational cohesion here. Means जितने भी elements हैं of in a module, they all are working on a same record of information. Means एक ही data पे भी process कर रहे हैं, that is known as communicational cohesion. Now next is sequential cohesion. Sequential cohesion क्या होता है? Means when when output of a particular process is work as an input in a other process, means they are following a particular sequence. means हमने कोई ऑपरेशन एग्जीक्यूट करा है, लाइक a मल्टीप्लाई b एंड देयर अनदर इज, दोनों को ऐड करा है, दैट इज c इंटू डी, एंड एक कॉम्प्लेक्स एल्गोरिथम है या कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑपरेशन है और उसके बीच में हम प्लस परफॉर्म कराएं, तो तब तक कि हमें a मल्टीप्लाई बी नहीं मिल जाता और c मल्टीप्लाई डी नहीं मिलता है तो हम उसको ऐड नहीं कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, मीन्स इनपुट ऑफ अदर प्रोसेस, मतलब आउटपुट ऑफ द अदर प्रोसेस वर्क एज एन इनपुट इन द other process, means in a sequence. Those means sequential cohesion is when parts of a module are grouped because the output from one part is the input to the another part. ठीक है, मीन्स तब तक हम उसको प्रोसेस नहीं कर पाएंगे जब तक कि उससे प्रीवियस वाला ऑपरेशन एग्जीक्यूट ना हो जाए, बिकॉज उसका जो आउटपुट होगा दैट वर्क एज एन इनपुट इन आर प्रोग्राम. नेक्स्ट इज फंक्शनल कोहेजन. ठीक है, मीन्स फंक्शनल कोहेजन क्या है? टू परफॉर्म अ फंक्शन, टू परफॉर्म अ टास्क. ठीक है, सो फंक्शनल कोहेजन इज व्हेन पार्ट्स ऑफ अ मॉड्यूल आर ग्रुप्ड बिकॉज दे ऑल कंट्रीब्यूट टू अ सिंगल वेल डिफाइंड टास्क ऑफ अ मॉड्यूल. ठीक है, मीन्स दे ऑल आर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग टू परफॉर्म अ सिंगल टास्क, मीन्स जितने भी उसके एलिमेंट हैं दे आर परफॉर्मिंग अ सेम टास्क. means functional name से specify that is means all the elements are performing or you can say involved in a particular function. क्लियर है? सो जो हमारा फंक्शनल कोहेजन होता है दैट इज जो हमारा स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट होता है एंड दैट इज बेस्ट. सो जो हमारा कोइंसिडेंटल होता है एज यू कैन सी इन सम दैट इज अ लो कोहेजन और वीकेस्ट होता है. ठीक है, सो फंक्शनल इज हाई कोहेजन एंड द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट. सो with the help of this diagram you can say, so these are three modules and this is their dependency and these are the elements. So this is clearly mentioned here, this is module. So what is this type of bonds? What are these red lines defines the cohesion and these are the dependencies of the modules. So this yellow line shows the coupling. So this is all about the cohesion and coupling. I think you got understand.